Good morning, student. Myself Kiran Yadav. I am your English teacher of class 3rd. Welcome to your online session from Geeta Global School. And how are you? I hope you all are good today. Today we are going to discuss question and answer from unit number 7 and chapter number 14. So children, please take out your notebook, pencil and eraser. So now we will discuss new words. So first word is shady. S-H-A-D-Y. Shady. Shady means children full of shade. जो ट्रीज की शेड होते हैं, बहुत सारे ट्री होते हैं. सो शेडी. बिलोट. B-E-L-L-O-W-E-D. बिलोट मीन्स अ रोरिंग साउंड. क्राई. जोर से चिल्लाना. ट्विच्ड. T-W-I-T-C-H-E-D. Twitch means to give a sudden jerk. Pounced. P-O-U-N-C-E-D. Pounced means to attack suddenly. किसी पर अचानक अटैक करना, पाउंस करना. Grunt. G-R-U-N-T. Grunt means making low sound, making light sound. Game, you all know game. Glisten. G-L-I-S-T-E-N-E-D. Glisten यानी टू शाइन विद अ स्पार्किंग लाइट. जो कि किसी कोई चीज़ होती है बहुत ही लाइट्स के साथ साथ स्पार्क करती है, दैट्स कॉल्ड ग्लिसन. रोड. R-O-A-R-E-D. रोड. रोड मीन्स अ फुल डीप क्राई. जोर से चिल्लाना, जोर से दहाड़ना. फीजेंट. P-H-E-A-S-A-N-T. फीजेंट होता है ए लॉन्ग टेल्ड बर्ड हंटेड फॉर फूड, जिसकी बहुत लंबी टेल होती है. फाउल. फाउल होता है F-O-W-L. इट्स अ डोमेस्टिक बर्ड. ओके, so these are new words in this chapter. Now tick the right answer. Where did the mother tiger and her small tiger cub live? So children, you have read this story, so tell me, where did the mother tiger and her small tiger cub live? They lived near a river, near a forest, near a sea and near a mountain. So where they lived? They lived near a river. So A will be right answer. Second, what did the mother tiger hunt when the sky was dark? So जब अंधेरा होता था, रात होती थी, स्काई फुल डार्क होता था, सो जो मदर टाइगर होती वो किसका हंट करती थी? शिप एंड डॉग्स, गॉट्स, डियर एंड पिग्स, monkeys and horses, fish and frogs. Yes, she hunt deer and pigs. Third, what did the tiger cub catch one night? One night tiger cub किसी को पकड़ने के लिए गया था. He hunted something. So what he hunt? A deer, a pig, a frog, a cat. So what he hunt? Yes, a frog. Question number 2. What happened to the little tiger cub when he chased the frog? So answer will be when he chased the frog, a big tiger came near him. Match the animals with their young ones. So there are some animals name and their babies name. Okay, so we have to match. जो horse होता है, horse के बेबी को क्या बोलते हैं? Yes, colt. horse का क्या हो गया? colt. dog के बच्चे को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Yes, puppy. कैट के बेबी को हम क्या बोलेंगे? किटन. वेरी गुड. काऊ के बेबी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? काफ। पिग के बेबी को पिगलेट, टाइगर के बेबी को कब, शिप के बच्चे को लैम, गोट के बच्चे को किड एंड डक के बच्चे को डकलिंग। ओके, नेक्स्ट वर्ड के, कैन यू प्लेस दिस लेटर्स इन देयर राइट ऑर्डर टू फॉर्म द नेम्स ऑफ एनिमल्स। अब ये कुछ वर्ड्स हैं जिनको हमें राइट ऑर्डर में लिखना है। ओके, सो कैन यू सी फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल ATC। सो ATC कोई एनिमल है क्या? नहीं है ना। सो नाउ वी विल मेक अ राइट वर्ड, सो टू यूजिंग दीज लेटर्स। सो व्हाट विल वर्ड? CAT, cat. Cat is an animal, yes. So cat. Now SEMOU. So what word will be come here? MOUSE. MOUSE, mouse. Next word will be HORSE, horse. Okay, next will be lion. नेक्स्ट विल बी शिप, बिकॉज PESHE ऐसा कोई एनिमल होता नहीं है। हम बनाएंगे तो कैसे बनेगा? SHEEP, शिप। नेक्स्ट विल बी REDE, कोई एनिमल होता है? नहीं ना। सो व्हाट विल बी? DEER, डियर। नेक्स्ट विल बी LUBL। तो ऐसा कोई बर्ड होता है? ऐसा कोई एनिमल होता है? नहीं ना। व्हाट वर्ड विल कम हियर? BULL, बुल। नेक्स्ट इज GITER, गिटर, कोई एनिमल होता है? नो। सो TIGER, टाइगर। नेक्स्ट इज FOLW, सो वी विल मेक WOLF, wolf. Third is the animals, birds in column A have to reach their homes in column B. Find out where they live. Okay, so in A column there is name of animals and birds, and in column B we have their homes. Okay, so we will match their homes. Okay, so children, tell me, a bee lives in a, tell me where the bee lives. Yes, a bee lives in a hive. A bee lives in a hive. An ant lives an ant hill. A duck is live in pond, with pond. Okay, and a tiger is live in den. It is already written. A rabbit is live in burrow. Yes, burrow. A spider lives in a web, and a sparrow lives in nest. Okay, these are team time homework, so you can try this at your home. Okay, the little tiger cub slipped away when his mother was asleep. He soon got into trouble. Tell the class about a similar incidents when you did not listen to your parents and found yourself in trouble. Okay, so you have to write one incident which you did without your parents permission. Okay, it's also team time. It's a act. You can try this act at your home, children. Okay, now there are some words. Say loud: quit, quite, queen, quarrel, below, fellow, shallow, swallow, big, bigger, biggest, small, smaller, smallest, rich, richer, richest, pounds, bounce. Now next, who am I? Look at the pictures and read the clues. Then complete this crossword puzzle. The first clue is done for you. First clue, what is first clue? I give wool. So who did this? Yes, ship. SHEEP, ship. Second, I lay eggs. So who give eggs? Hen. So HEN, hen. Third is I give you milk. So cow, COW, cow. I carry loads. Who carry loads, children? Yes, donkey, DONKEY, donkey. I knee. Who knee? This is sound, children. Knee. Yes, horse. HORSE, horse. Sixth, I am man's best friend. So who's man's best friend? Yes, dog. DOG. 7, I live in a sty. Who live in a sty? Yes, pig. PIG. 8, I bleed. Who bleed? Goat. GOAT, goat. 9, I am the ship of the desert. So who is the ship of desert, children? Yes, camel. Camel is ship of the desert. CAMEL, camel. Okay, so your exercise part is over here. Okay, so you have to write this in your notebook, children, and please learn the lesson. Thank you. Have a good day.